Hello, fellow manifestors. There's one picture, one diagram, one information I want you to carry for manifesting is this one here. We covered two important states, important information. I'm going to combine them together in this slide or in this one beautiful, simple, best manifesting diagram you will see. Okay, let's talk about both of them. Horizontally, this talks about what state you're going to be in, your state of wish fulfilled. Basically, that's the x-axis. Most of us are on the left side of the equation, left side of the thing picture here, where we worry not having it. Current state is you are now on the left side, or most of us are. When we don't have it, and you don't have it, you fear it, you lack it, you worry it. All these are the left side. That's the horizontal part of it. Where we need to move from the left to the right side. We need to move towards the hope, optimism, belief, and finally having it. So I need you to move from the left side of this axis to all the way to the right side, having it. Left being 0, the right being 100. At the very least, be in the right side. If you're in the left side, you are exhibiting fear, lack, worry, concern, and you're further and further away. It's almost like walking back from the goal. If you're on the right side, think of this way: if you're on the right side, where you be the person you want to be in, like you dream and you act, think and act and be the person, you are having the wish fulfilled. That means that you are merging yourself to the person you want to be in. So think of this way. You imagine how you will be with all the desires you are, with money or a relationship or a job or a health. Close your eyes and imagine yourself having that job, having that money, having the relationship, having whatever it is, or the job. And what will the person do? What will the person think and act and say and behave? And be that person. It's very simple. Close your eyes, or just don't close your eyes. Just look at what, if you have all those things, how will you be? What will that person of you will think and behave and act? Be that person. That's what the axis is. That's what the horizontal is. Right now, you're on the leftmost side. You are now there. You don't have it. I need you to move all the way to the right side for person having it, or be the person that you dream of. Be the person with that wish fulfilled. And if it's money, be the person who has the money, or the rich. Or if it's career, be the person who already have the career job you're looking for, or the relationship, or the health. It's not just 0 or 1 many times, or 0 to 100. Most of the time, it's going to be somewhere in shades between. Then you could be in the negative side, maybe somewhere less than 50%. Halfway through is the neutral point, 50%. If you're on the more than 50%, that at least you're on the positive side. You are walking towards your goal. At least you're walking forward. You will get there. The fastest way you can sprint and run and get to the goal, get to your desire, is being the rightmost point. Where I say have it 100%, be there. You dream and behave and be that person ideally, and that person will reflect back to you. But if you're on the left side where you are, you're going to stay there for a long time or forever sometime, unfortunately, because universe is a mirror. It's going to mirror your state. The x-axis and the horizontal line, wherever you're on the leftmost side, fear, lack, on the middle, worries or doubts, or on the right side, universe will deliver back to you exactly the state, the line, wherever you are. So you rather might as well be in the rightmost side where you're having it. That's what you're going to get. That's a key thing. So in summary, you be in the rightmost point. And now let's move to the vertical axis. That's also important. That's your feeling state, your state of your vibrational, emotional, feeling, vibrational state. Now, on the lower side, typically we are in low vibration and negative, sad, depressed, and because of fear, lack. You start moving your frequency higher. You go from low frequency all the way to the high frequency. If you're happy, positive, and joy, you are in high vibration, high frequency. So I need you to move from way down the bottom to all the way up. So that's where, in fact, there are two reasons, right? If you're, of course, being happy and positive and joyous always beats being sad, negative, and depressed. That's one simple thing. But more than that, the key reason is this. If you are in high frequency, in the top point, if you're in high frequency, high vibration, automatically you will see the doors open up. The universe shows more opportunities, more synchronicities, more ideas, more intuition comes your way. And automatically you will grab it. Hopefully you will grab it because those things are paths lighting up. There are breadcrumbs showing you, hey, go this way, turn right, turn left, turn left. It's almost like a Google map, right? You put your address and it's telling you, go this way, go this way, go turn right, go on left. And the same way, universe will guide you towards your path. And if you stay very positive, and if you stay happy and positive, and believe you have it, and that will automatically raise your frequency, raise your vibration. So in the vertical axis, it's all about your frequency, your vibration, your happiness. You're all about your feeling and emotional state. Feeling and emotions are very similar, but feeling and emotion is outside, but inside is a vibration and frequency. When you're in, high feeling, a positive feeling, automatically feel joyous. You're in higher vibration. If you're sad and down, depressed, you're in the low vibration. So I need you to be way in the top. That's the second point. Now let's put this together. We talked about the first state of you being the person you want to be the wish fulfilled, uh, mimic and be the person that has the desire. You're moving from the left to the right. And now we talked about being the higher feeling, higher vibrations. Stay happy, stay positive, stay joyous, and move your frequency higher and high frequency and higher vibration state. That you're going to go from bottom to top. Now let's put them together. You're going all the way to the right. You're going all the way to the top. Guess what? That's the rightmost point. Put them together. When you put them together, you are in the rightmost corner of this rectangle. So this is the key message, guys. If you hear this, if you understand it, you got it. This one key message for manifesting is this: be in the rightmost point of this rectangle, of the square here. That is the top right. That has the sun there, 100%, 100%. That means that you 100% of the time, you believe you have it. You are living the person you want to be. The other 100% is you are high frequency, high joy, high vibration. 100% of the time, you're joyous, happy, positive, you're in high vibration. If you put them together, the rightmost point, the topmost point, put you into the right corner point. If you're in the right corner of this of the diagonal, that's the point, the best point, best state you have to be in for manifesting. And I'll guarantee you, if you move to the rightmost side, the way you move rightmost side is basically move all the way to the right, move all the way to the top. That means move all the way of having it, move all the way, stay positive. Automatically, if you're in the rightmost, the topmost, you will be in the right topmost corner. That's the best state, best place, best point to be in manifesting. Is you're sprinting. If you are in that point, 100% of the time. Again, don't be there half an hour here, 5 minutes there, 2 hours there. No, you got to be there all throughout the day if possible. At least be there most of the time, at least most of the awakened time. Thing to avoid is avoid the left side and avoid the bottom side. So don't be in the left bottom corner. Unfortunately, guys, many of us end up visiting in the bottom left corner. That's the worst state. Look at the red star is the worst state, the bottom left you can be in. Never, ever be in the state. That's like running back. If you are in that state, you're running back from your goal. Don't do that. That's the worst state, the lower left corner. The best state is the top right corner. That's the key message I want you to get it today. Your horizontal x-axis is how well you mirror, you match who you want to be in. And the vertical axis, the y-axis is how joyous, how happy, the high frequency versus low frequency you are. And the more higher frequency, positive, happy emotions and feelings, you're going to be in the topmost side. The more you're aligned with who you want to be and you see yourself having it, that whatever wish it is, you be the person you want to be. That's the rightmost side. And if you're high frequency and be the person, you're automatically in the top. You be there, I will guarantee you're sprinting, you're running towards your goal. It could be instantaneous. You could be having it in a matter of days or weeks or wherever, however fast you are. Unfortunately, we all fluctuate. I want you to be cognizant of that. I want you to be aware of it. If you're moving in the left side of the axis, just be so, oh my God, I should not be here. Let me move much to the right. Be the person you want to be. And again, if you're in the bottom part of the vertical axis, move yourself to the top. So whenever you catch yourself to the lower left quadrant, the lower point, get away from it, run away from it, move all the way to the top right quadrant. That's where you need to be in. If you say, hey, how do I manifest? That's what, be in that point. How long it's going to take? How long it's going to take, depending upon how persistent, how consistent, how always you are in the top right. If you're in the top right, I will guarantee you're going to realize it ASAP, the fast. Some people call it instantaneous. That's what's going to happen to you. But instantaneous, again, I don't want to raise your expectation. It could be days, weeks, whatever it is, you will get there. But be there, be persistent, be consistent, believe in that. And again, there are 5 things in your state, right? Your thoughts, what you think, to your words, what you speak, what you write, your actions, and that is how you behave. Those 3 is what defines kind of your core part of your human behavior. Below that, what drives is your belief system. Work on the belief. Make sure you have the belief that yes, I can, I'm capable, I am confident, I have the ability. That belief should be there to support your thoughts, words, and actions. Those 4 things will drive your final highest point, the 5th element, which is the feeling and emotion. The universe listens to your vibration, your feelings, the emotion state. It's the vibrational, it's a frequency vibrational world, right? Like Tesla talked about. You want to understand the world, understand in terms of vibration frequency. And so you're gonna talk, you're gonna communicate to the world in terms of your frequency, your vibration you are in. That is really the positive vibration automatically. And so your thoughts, words, actions define your feeling, emotion, that define your vibration and frequency. That's how you tell the world who you are, what you want to be in. Tell the world you are that person. Tell the world you're joyous, happy, and universe has no choice. Match it. Universe will mirror that. Universe will reflect it. Universe will give it back to you sooner or later. Be consistent in the topmost right point. Universe will give it back to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. I have a complete class to help you. I'm going to give you theory here. I have a complete class course to help you walk through. Join me. I will guarantee you will manifest. If you join me, I have a free class. I'm not looking for money here. I just want you to succeed. I just want you, my biggest pleasure will be you manifest. That'll be a joy for me. So I'm giving my ebook free for this year, and I'm giving my classes free for this year. Join me. I will help you manifest smaller or big things. Big thing will take a little bit more time because you need to be in the top right corner. Small things are much faster, and you can get it in hours or days. And I will help you with that. So join me in the journey. I will help you to be a better manifester. Okay. I will see you there. If you want to sign up, spiritualuniversity.org. The link is in the description here. And you can also email me or sign up there. You'll get a free ebook and the class link as well. And I'm 𝐉𝐨𝐻. I'm part of Manifesting the Best, my YouTube channel. I'm manifesting coach. I've been in the journey for 5-6 years. There are tons of books so that I made a lot of mistakes. So you don't have to. I went through a lot to learn the essence of it, so you don't have to struggle. I want to give it to you, gist of it, very fast, very quick, so you can get on with your manifesting journey. I want you to be a happy, joyous, wonderful person you want to be in. I will see you there in my class or in the book or in the next video. Join me. Take care. All the best. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.